PocketQubes are at a price point where it's pretty easy to just say, let's just try it. Let's launch it, let's not hand-wring about it, because now that I know one student can do this, it's also going to be enriching for 20 students. You can expand this to engage any number of students you want. It really opens up the flexibility of how we can use PocketQubes to teach space systems.
We foresee this is the new game changer because from PocketQube we can launch it and we can build it in small size from 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter. This is something that is very affordable for students.
I like working with PocketQubes mostly because we can do it, like we can build it ourselves.
Right now we are facing a new phase in the space race, and the countries and the peoples and the states that's going to be part of it going to be far behind. So working the space with the PocketQube is a way that it can make more popular the use of space tech in countries that usually don't have access to it.
We started using PocketQubes because they fitted much better in the educational cycle for students. We look at bachelor and master students, and we want something that allows us within the 6-7 months of a master thesis or the few months of course to actually build something so that they see a full design.
Miniaturization in the space industry in the future, I see it to be a really trending topic, because with miniaturization you can easily take new payloads to orbit with scientific goals to test new technologies in orbit with a less cost.
The first step that we look at is training more engineers. So if we can have a faster cycle, we can train more engineers and produce more engineers with relevant experience, practical experience, ready to go to industry.
Well, I'd say to any students or young people looking for a good career opportunity, the space sector is a really exciting sector.
I think it is an untapped market and a very bright future for PocketQubes in the educational nanosatellite and picosatellite community.